Today's recipe is the colocasia or the arvi curry. So it's a very delicious recipe, and I think you would relish it. And these are the ingredients. This is the arvi or the colocasia, which we call it. I have peeled it. I did not wash it with water, as you can see. I have applied normal table salt so that it may not release its wires, or as you can see, it releases its slimy strings, as you can see. And this is the salt I have added to prevent it from the so that the gravy may not be spoiled. And now I will wash it with normal water, and then I will make the curry. This is the 1 bowl of tomato puree, and this we have to take the grated onion. But this is the chopped. You have to want, you can take it the grated onion also. This is the Kashmiri red chili powder, salt to taste, asafoetida or the hing, olive oil I am using, red chili flakes, and this is the ginger powder or the saunt powder. This is the red chili powder, black rock salt or the kala namak, which we call, coriander powder or the dhania powder, and this is the garam masala powder, which I have given the recipes of the 2 garam masala, turmeric powder, caraway seeds or the ajwain, salt to taste, chopped ginger, finely chopped green chilies, and this is the caraway seeds again. Okay, and this is the garlic ginger paste, 2 teaspoons to 1 spoon each, as you can see the measurement of the arvi, what you are taking. And this is the coriander powder. If you want, you can take the cumin seed powder or the zira powder also in this recipe. So now I will cook this in the pressure cooker. Here my oil has become hot. I am putting the caraway seeds or the ajwain. Here goes the asafoetida, a pinch, or the hing. Also goes the chopped onion. I will fry the masala. As it has been fried, I am adding garlic ginger paste, 1 spoon each, and again frying it with the onion. As it has been fried nicely, I am adding the tomato puree to it. Now to this puree I am adding turmeric powder to taste, half a spoon, half to 1/4 spoon of red chili powder, 1/4 spoon of ginger powder or the saunt powder, half spoon of coriander powder, little bit of red chili flakes, chopped green chilies. Here goes the homemade garam masala powder, half spoon, finely chopped ginger, half spoon black rock salt or the kala namak, Kashmiri red chili powder, salt to taste. I have mixed all the ingredients properly, and as you can see the fine golden color, I will fry the masala till it leaves the edges and the oil comes up, and all the spices are incorporated with the masala together. Here I have added little water, and then again I will repeat the same process, and I will fry the masala. So here is a secret of the recipe which I am sharing with you, my recipe. These are the red chilies whole, and this is the yogurt, 3 to 4 spoons of yogurt. Now I will be grinding them together. I have added little bit water in this yogurt and the red chili. Now I am adding into this gravy, and I will fry the masala. As you can see, the masala is very well fried to golden brown color, and it has left the edges, and the golden oil has come up. So now I am adding the colocasia or the arvi in it. Now I am adding 2 glasses of water to it. You want more gravy, so you can add more than 2 glasses depending on the quantity of the arvi as well. So here I am adding 2 glasses of water. I have closed the lid of the cooker. Now after 2 to 3 whistles, quickly I will not open the lid till the steam gets out itself, and I will wait till the full steam goes out, then I will be dishing it out. I have opened the lid. As you can see, the can call and ready to serve. Hope you try my recipe. This type of